another video. In today's video, we are taking the GG Evo out for the first time. I'm gonna give you guys some POV action of me driving the car. We have to fix a couple of things in regards to the cluster. One of my light bulbs in the cluster is not on. And we also have to change our spark plugs because I wasn't able to get new spark plugs for the timing belt video I did. So we have to drive to advance. So honestly, on this one, actually sit back, relax, and enjoy. So let me show you guys real quick what's going on with my cluster. It's just a light bulb that probably went out. It's gonna be kind of hard for me to show you guys since it's daylight right now, but I have a little towel here. Let me see if I could cover it up and show you guys. So this is what I mean by when I say it's not working right now. I'm trying to cover it with a towel, but as you can see, the left side of my cluster is on, and then this right side right here is completely off. And at night, I can't see my temperatures, I can't see my gas level. So we're gonna have to take all of this apart. This one's super simple. There's just 2 screws right here, and then there's a couple of screws in the back. But honestly, nothing to stress about. You just gotta put the steering wheel down and you're pretty much good to go. So let me figure out what bulb these are so then we can head out. They say that you learn something new every day. I just learned that this cluster in specific, and let me know down in the comments if there is a way to change this, like for example at advance or anything like that. But all of these light bulbs are only sold either by Mitsubishi, or you could get like LED aftermarket ones, but that's not what I'm looking for. Like I'm obviously looking for that OEM, like, you know, look bulb. But I thought I could remove this little piece and put a new bulb. But these little pieces together come already with the bulb inside, so you can't change it. Like I took the bulb out and broke it just because I wanted to see if I could replace the bulb. So I'm not buying a bulb, unfortunately, today. I'm gonna have to order it directly from Mitsubishi. So I'll put a link for you guys so you guys can buy it online. I'm obviously gonna buy it online, so that way whenever it gets to the house, I'll just swap. I'm gonna swap, just so you guys know, this one, which is the type C bulb, is the one that lights up the whole cluster. So I'm guessing this one blew up. I'm still gonna change all 3 just to make sure. And then all the other black ones are just for like little accessories. And I'll put like a little diagram on the screen for you guys, just in case you guys need to switch all of this up. But let's go ahead and put this back on the GG Evo. And we still have to go get spark plugs, so let's go ahead and go for a drive. Just in case you guys are curious of how I remove the cluster, there are 3 screws, 1 on each side on the top and then 1 in the middle. There was 2 screws on the top of this little panel right here that I told you guys, and then you do have to remove these, but these are just clip-on, so just pull it out. For this one, pull it out, but before you pull it out, there's 2 screws here, so you have to remove the metal radio thingy. All of this is just clips, so don't stress about it. Pull it out, and then you have these 2 cables that connect to the cluster itself. You have to put it to the side, and with your finger basically snap it out and pull it out. That's pretty much it. There's nothing much to it. sounding exhaust ever. The 85. It's been such a long time since I last drove the Evo, at least the GG Evo. This car makes all the right noises. this car. Should we give it a little bit of love? Just a quick 1-2. I'll do it in the next stop sign. 400 horsepower has to be like 400, 500 has to be fun power. Like, I don't know, it's like like there, like it's not a lot of power, but it's a good amount of power where you're actually having fun. Especially on an all-wheel drive Evo, you just can't go wrong at all. It really feels good. no time. Just like that, we are back in the garage. The GG Evo is performing as expected. I went to Advanced. They didn't have my spark plugs, which I'm running NGK BR8ES. They didn't have it in stock, so it's gonna come in 2 days. So once it comes in, I'll change the spark plugs, but you guys have seen me change spark plugs millions of times. The car itself is good. I'm checking over everything, checking still that the water pump is not leaking since we did that last week. But so far, so good with the car. Now, I personally have a question for you guys in regards to the JDM Evo 8. It's been messing in my head for the longest. I am considering, this is just a consideration. What do you guys think about me swapping the JDM Evo 8? Since I am gonna do a JDM rear on this car, what do you guys think of me swapping this front bumper to an Evo 9 front bumper? And I will try to put some pictures here on this video of what an Evo 9 and Evo 8 front bumper look like. These are obviously our Evo 8 front bumpers. I'm sorry, I don't have like too much space to show you guys the way it looks, but you guys have seen the cars plenty of times. So what I'm considering for the JDM Evo 8 is to run, which hurts me, a carbon fiber front lip, which I had on the GG Evo and it broke the same week I bought it. And I told myself I would not spend those $600, almost $700 ever again in my life. But I'm considering running a carbon fiber DL front lip on this Evo 8 front bumper, the carbon fiber side skirt extensions, and then the JDM rear bumper and carbon fiber extensions, exactly how we have on the GG Evo. This little extensions right here that are carbon fiber with the carbon fiber side skirt extensions. That's the setup I'm thinking on running for the JDM Evo 8, obviously with the T37s and the car lowered and everything. But I am really liking the way the Evo 9 front bumper looks with the SE lip. And again, the picture that you guys are seeing, if I do have access to one that I could put on the video, it's the Evo 9 front bumper with an SE lip on it, and the red really looks good on this like car in particular. Even in any car, it honestly looks really good. It's just something that I'm thinking about. If you guys could put down in the comments what you guys prefer, either the Evo 8 front bumper or the Evo 9. I am honestly 50-50. I really like the fact that the Evo 8 front bumper shows the whole intercooler. Like, it looks a lot meaner with the front intercooler completely shown. With the Evo 9 front bumper, it hides this part of the intercooler, so it's kind of like blocked off, but it looks really clean. So just wanted to know what you guys thought about switching this to an Evo 9 front end. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end it there. I know this video might be kind of short compared to the way I always do the videos, but some videos are like that. I really enjoyed driving the GG Evo finally for the first time in, like, I would say a month, almost 30-50 days. So anyways, I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Like always, keep grinding and stay safe.